Hey, it's Brian with Winning Edge Carwash. Call us at 352-339-8563 or text. Check out the website, winningedgecarwash.com. I'm gonna do a before and after of this dually. It is really bad on the outside because it's a farm truck. So I just want to show you what a Winning Edge Car Wash can do to your car and the benefits of using us. Horrible love bugs. The paint is very dingy. Been working out on the farm. You can see having a little fun. Winning Edge. But that's how dirty it is. Just so you know. Alright. Worst possible situation you could be in. Windshield spotted up. Mirrors bugged up. Alright. I'm about to take care of this truck and get back to you. Back again. Brian, Winning Edge Car Wash, mobile detailing. Check us out, winningedgecarwash.com. Call us or text 352-339-8563. Told you I was gonna do it before and after. Mind you, this is an 8-year-old truck. Yeah, 8-year-old farm truck that's everyday use for horses, hay, dirt, grime. This is what Winning Edge Car Wash do. This is the after effect of calling me. They don't have any tire shine because they prefer not, because it's gonna get a lot of dirt. But this car, truck, dually, is now looking brand spanking new. Just check it out. I'm gonna give you an up close and personal of the front end because it was heavily caked in love bugs. Now mind, this is my express package. Be sure to go on the website and check out the express detail. It was hay, dirt. I didn't do a before on the inside because I didn't feel like it was as important as what I could do to this outside. Right now, inside was a no-brainer. But what I wanted everyone to see was this outside. And the thing about this outside is that is a scratch. It's not a dirt spot. But like I said, with a white truck, white car, you can't make no mistake in being half done. The mirrors, all the bugs are gone. The windshield, crystal clear, no bugs. The front end, from the lights to the chrome, looking brand new with no bugs. No love bugs. Florida's notorious for it. So if you need someone that is capable of not damaging your paint and getting the job done right, Winning Edge Car Wash is a great choice. Look at that. As soon as I get done, I'll come right back. But it's all good though. Door jams looking good. Smelling good. Now cool down. Have a good time. Slide to the left, slide to the right. Do the butterfly. My motto is, you can't beat a Winning Edge Car Wash. Give me a call, 352-339-8563. Be sure to visit the website, winningedgecarwash.com. If you don't get an answer, please text me. I'll get to you soon.